Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kamaldeep Singh, and my student ID is GH1036110. And today I will be presenting my assignment proposal, and my topic is machine learning based phishing email detection systems, design, implementation, and evaluation using Python and Solite. And there is all the contents of the assignment. There is presenting the first of all is the introduction and the literature reviews, system analysis, system implementation, testing, evaluation, and performance, and all the things. And at the last there is also the conclusion, recommendations of the references. And the other thing, the first of all, we starting from the introduction. The phishing is now one of the most common cybersecurity threat to organization and individuals all over the world. Fraudsters rely on software emails to gain access to classified data, including passwords, financial, and personal informations. The growing reliance on online communication has increased the attack potential, which leads to financial losses, reputational destruction, and the disrupted of the operations. On the other hand, the this project will focus on the creating a machine learning based phishing email detectors that can identify phishing and the legitimate messages by automatically checking the content of emails. The system aims at enhancing the accuracy of the detection and decrease dependence on manual inspection procedures. On the other hand, there is a literature review and theoretical backgrounds. First of all, starting from the phishing attacks and cybersecurity threats. As I know previously, at the same, the phishing is a form of the cyber attack, whereby attackers misquoted as the trusted organization, institutes, or individuals to user to disclose confidential information to them. And the other is machine learning in the email security. The email learning is significant technology that can be used to improve email security by automatically detecting threats. Moreover, there is a taxi mining and the feature extractions. The starting point is the taxi mining is a technique of extracting meaning out of unstructured texts and features to be used in the machine learning methods. Tasks they are assisted by the natural language processing techniques are text clearly, and the feature extractions, team frequency includes the document frequency and the being widely used to determine the significance of words in the document when compared to a set of documents. Furthermore, the classification algorithms for phishing detect. The range of the machine learning algorithms has been used in the detection of phishing. Logistic regression is a supervised classification method which approximates the livelihood of an email falling into a specific category. Therefore, the functioning requirements, the system should have the ability to analyze the email content that are imputed by the users by the command learning interfaces. And there are furthermore steps, non-functional requirements, system architectures, use case designs, and database designs, security system concentration, system implementation, development environment. And we are starting from the figures. The first figure is the dataset shape, is the source obtained from the Google Colab. And as you can see, the database used in the project was a finishing email database with the 7,01,486 records of email that had been gathered based on the various sources public available on the phishing and the limited emails. And the other hand, you also seeing the dataset of the cleaning, and we can present with the table also. You can see it in the picture. And there are other figure. There is the dataset after cleaning. It is also obtained from the Google Colab. And first of all, the pre-processing of data was done to enhance the quality of data and equip textual data to be processed using machine learnings. And moreover, the features extracting using the TF IDF. It is terms according to frequency in words, documents frequency was used to transform text email into numerical features factors to be used in machine learning. And the on the other hand, whereas the unique ones are given in the more weightage. And also you can see in the table, I can present it in the assignment. And this is like the TF IDF and the matrix shapes. It is also obtained from the Google Colab. On the other hand, I also presented the accuracy and the classifications of the project, and the confusion matrix also. You can see in the picture 4 the model accuracy. And on the other hand, we can also present the command learning interface development, and we can present all the coding and the features in the picture according to the email body and the customer. It is present in the figure 5 finishing detection examples. And in the figure 6 we can present the legitimate detection examples, and it is also obtained from the VS Code. And as you can know, the database relatively features allow reviewing of historical predictions. We can also presenting the choices and the history, and we can present in all the viewing history output in the table. And the fifth point is the testing and evaluation, the testing strategy. Although testing planning was adopting to test the functionalities of the phishing detection systems as well as the integrate systems, and the machine learning model was used to process user inputs which were saved in the database and could be assessed successfully when reporting. And the experimental results, the testing subsets that was produced in the process of model development was used in the experimental evaluations. And we can also present the table, and there is analyze email view history, generate report, and the exit. We can present in the figure 4 report generation. And the security analysis and the risk assess, as you know, there is some points: threat analysis and security control implements, limitations and future security, conclusion and recommendations. And as at the last, we also present all the references, and these all the references helps me too much for preparing all the assignments. And thank you so much, all of you.